Two Trelawny farmers taking out execution style by men dressed in soldier fatigue. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. Family members and friends of 28-year-old Jason Trail and 26-year-old Andre Dennis were on Tuesday morning still trying to come to terms with Saturday night's execution style taking out of the two farmers in Duncan's Trelawny. It's reported that men dressed in army fatigue and brandishing handguns alighted from a white Toyota Voxy motor vehicle and pounced on the five men at Trail's Gate intersection of Duncan's Colorado Dirt. According to community members who claim to be eyewitnesses, the gunmen demanding that the men hand over their wallets, cellular phones, driver's license and any other form of identification they had on them. The man reportedly took the identification card to show to another that was sitting inside the vehicle. The shooters reportedly returned from the vehicle and started to spray bullets at the five men kneeling on the ground at point-blank range. Trail, Dennis and two other persons were shot. The fifth person managed to escape. The injured were taken to the hospital where the two farmers succumbed to their injuries on arrival at hospital and the other two treated and admitted in serious condition. The residents who contended that the deadly attack was a hit strongly suspect that the order to shoot came from whosoever remained inside the vehicle. The Trelawny police are continuing the investigation. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.